Let's look at Tesla. So Tesla is a little bit down today. We closed at 351.42, down $5 and 67 cents, 1.59% down. Post-market seem to be up a little bit. So let's look at where we are on the chart. Can I make this up? Tesla is going down. Why is it stopping right smack on our line, 348.29? Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, look at this, First hour of the day, boom, we came down, and look at how perfectly this is sitting on a line. Don't tell me that this does not work. Don't tell me. I did not draw the line today. It was drawn before, and the stock is just touching it. This is helping us. This is giving us an unfair advantage. Unfair advantage. Because what kind of unfair advantage? Well, the kind that will tell us that when we break 360.65, and also this one above, check my video from last Friday. Once we are going to break this, it means that we are going to get the push up. So we are going to break, we are going to reach 403, 403 right here, 403.30. This is where we are going to reach. Boom. So we can use that information right now. We can buy, we can buy out of the money calls at 403. We can buy a boatload of them. And when we are going to reach 403, then we are going to make money. These lines are giving us the ingredients that we can use to craft the trading or investing strategy that we want. We can use also these lines to buy covered calls. Because we know that we are stopping at 360.65. So as soon as we reached that resistance, we can say, I'm going to sell some covered calls just a little bit above 360.65. And the chances are that we are going to get hit is low because we are behind a resistance. And we can do the same here. As we are going along, as we are moving higher in terms of the lows, this is getting a little bit more risky that we are going to break 360.65. So you can sell covered calls above 415, just above 415, and this is going to be safer. So these lines are very important, but there are so many strategies that we can craft with the same lines. My job here is to draw the lines and then tell you what the stock is doing. Is it obeying to these lines? And then you can write in the comment section below what you are going to do with those lines and what kind of strategy you want to use. And then in the comments, everybody can share, well, I think I'm going to buy a few calls, strike price, 416, blah, 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 expiry at this date, because we can also look at the expiry. Here we can say that at the worst, Tesla is going to reach this number right here in January. It could reach this in January if we are continuing on the trend that we are here. So it's nice to know when this is going to happen, as well as what level the stock is going to reach. We have a pretty good idea of the stock price and the future date. So that's pretty good. Not because we can predict the future, but we are extrapolating a trend. We are extrapolating a trend. Yeah, we are still waiting for a break at 360.65 to get back in or to add to the position you already have. And if we close lower than 309, then this is going to mean that we could be going back to 270 approximately, 278. Let's take a look at the rest of the market to see if Tesla is in sync. VIX continuing down, incredible. I'm really surprised. It is what it is. 1331 continuing down. This should help the stock market. Bonds moving a little bit higher today. Take a look at Dow Jones. A little bit of a, moving down a little bit, but we are still above the moving average. We are still in the bullish channel. S&P 500, again, look at this. Touching that resistance line. It's just hugging it. No signs that it wants to come down. We need to have a sign. We don't speculate. We need to have a sign. Here, We have stopped where we have stopped before. This is the line, and we stop right smack on it. If we break this, then this is going to mean that NASDAQ is going to continue high. So place your bets. Place your bets. Tell me in the comment section below what you are going to do. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.